welcome to Fabian's cooking show. You might remember me from such docudramas, such as, if I did it, Marcus Junius Brutus. Today we're gonna do tortilla soup, super instant. We're gonna use the Instapot. If you can't do it in 30 minutes or less, you're doing it wrong. Of course, we don't count cooking time, prep time, and eating time maybe. We'll let it do its thing, and we'll just Netflix and hang out, and other people might Netflix and chill. Apparently, it's different things.
Right, sure.
So yeah, we're gonna get started here. You got yours.
Right,
all right,
yeah.
All right. So we'll kick our Instapot to the saute function. We'll throw in some olive oil. Maybe I should have put that over here too, right?
Ah, that's fine.
We'll chop onion real quick. I have a red onion and a white onion. You can just use a white onion or just red onion. Doesn't really matter that much. So we'll chop this puppy up real quick.
There we go.
Yeah, these are from our garden.
Ah.
Yeah, super fancy. I was supposed to mention that last time, but I did not.
We'll get this right eventually.
Eventually we'll figure this out. Alright, chop these guys up real quick. Get that going. We'll need some celery here. 5 stalks. This looks good. We'll do a quick rinse. Do our quick celery chop in here. Tops off. We don't want those. And you can eat this green stuff with it. Doesn't matter. Add the celery, so that's about 1.5 cups of celery. Again, 1.5 to 2 cups of carrots. We'll give these guys a quick rinse as well. Remember, you can actually peel these. Some people like to do that. I don't even get the crap.
I never understood the peeling it.
Some people some people say oh, you gotta peel it because there's some dirt and stuff on it.
Yeah.
But it really isn't just.
Well, I never understood washing it if you're gonna peel it.
Yeah. If you peel it, don't bother.
You're gonna peel off the part that you just washed. So what difference does it make? But since you're not, it makes sense to give them a little rinse.
Yeah, it's but I don't even think these things are even grown in dirt anymore. I think they're just grown in hydroponics. Just swim in water. Right. So there's probably not even a point in actually rinsing them anymore. About 2 cups of carrots. Stir. Got some garlic here. It already comes pre-peeled. So only about 5 of these. We'll be generous because we like garlic, right? So.
Oh yeah.
So let's give these a rough chop here as well. Chopped on this.
20 minutes.
20 minutes left. Oh, easy peasy. Wet the whistle. So we'll add about 2 teaspoons of salt. We'll add a tablespoon about of ground cumin. We'll add some ancho chili pepper. Teaspoon. Stir. We'll add 4-ounce cans. Yeah, green chilies. So we're gonna add 4 cups of chicken stock here later. So I'm already gonna throw in the chicken base stuff here. So it's 1 teaspoon per cup. So we'll throw in 4 of these. We'll just add the water to it later. I like it a little more chickeny, so we'll add 2 more spoons. Diced tomatoes, fire roasted if you got them. Throw that can right in. Your can of black beans.
Look at that fancy can opener.
Oh yeah, like the top opener. So it apparently leaves less sharp edges, so there's no sharp edges there. and there's no sharp edge over here. And you can like later on, you can put that lid right back on and you put it in the refrigerator.
Huh.
It's pretty cool, huh? So we're actually going to rinse these. You don't have to. My wife just doesn't like the bean juice.
Mm-hmm.
We'll give them a quick rinse. With a thing here. Toss that in. Stir. We need to add some oregano. I do have some in the garden, so let's go get that. While this is heating up.
We're going out?
We're gonna go out.
Oh.
Go to the garden.
Okay.
Clean this up. Oh, Zola's coming too? Alright.
Okay, okay. You coming? Alright.
Check out them melons.
Oh.
Alright, we got oregano growing right here. See, look, it actually says Greek oregano.
That doesn't matter though, right?
That doesn't matter.
Just some oregano.
You can use dried oregano too, for all I care.
Right, fresh out of the garden.
Fresh out of the garden.
That's what I'm talking about.
I'm just gonna snip off a couple. One more. Alright, we'll go back.
Okay.
Get it.
Alright, watch the poop again.
Watch the poop.
Yeah, you too, Zola. Thanks.
All part of the 30 minutes. Alright, give this a quick rinse. Alright, so we'll strip these down. So we'll throw those in. Stir that up. We're gonna add whole kernel corn here. 2 cans. And, right. We're gonna add some chipotle chilies in adobo sauce. Adobo? How do you pronounce that? Adobo. What's
Is it adobo?
Adobo maybe. Alright, so we're gonna use about half a can here. And maybe one more. One more chili here. Alright. Use a quick chop here.
Got a little seesaw action with the knife?
Seesaw.
Okay. Okay.
We learned that in kindergarten.
Right.
Get all our seasoning in. We gotta add some lime juice or 2 limes squeezed in there as well.
Why are you massaging it?
Get more juice out. Apparently that's a technique.
Are you trying to Netflix and chill with the lime?
Yeah. Well, we can
Get it comfortable with the massage first?
Yeah. So I actually cut the ends off. Make juicing a little easier too.
Makes juicing easier without the end on?
Oh yeah, we'll shoot in a second here.
Oh yeah, because you can squeeze it all the way?
Because I got the squeezer.
Ah.
The squeezer.
Ah.
So when I put it in, you can see that. See, I'll put the thing, and this will touch this, and juices can flow out both sides. So see how much juice comes out.
Ah, okay. See, I'm learning as much as everyone else is going to be learning.
Yeah. Quick break. Yeah. 1.74 pounds of chicken, still frozen in its native state. Alright, so we got the juice thing off. We're going to throw the chicken right in here. Boom.
That's technically still frozen?
That's still frozen. The instant part, well, like once we put that under pressure, it doesn't really matter if it's fresh or frozen. You can also use chicken legs, wings, whatever. Chicken, like, if it has bones in it, it will give it like a little bit more of a flavor, but we kind of compensate with the chicken stock for that, and we just want to be able to quick later on just shred the chicken, throw it back in there. So we're still going to add some liquid here for our chicken stock, which we didn't add. So we need to add 6 cups. This is 2 cups. Believe me, it says actually on here 16 ounces.
I don't believe you, but I believe the can.
Last can, we gotta be like a little bit careful because we got a max pressure line in here, or max fill line. So we don't want to go beyond that. We actually still have a little bit of space. Sure, you can see the max fill line right here. You want more adobo in there?
I don't know. It's your thing, man.
Can of fire roasted tomatoes. Alright. Stir here a little bit. The chicken floats in there. We'll put our pressure lid on. Pressure on high for about 20 minutes. Now make sure our vent is closed. And that's it.
20 minutes later.
Alright, welcome back. It's been like 20 minutes, actually a little bit more than 20 minutes. But we can actually start releasing the steam in our Instapot. So we're just gonna like Open that valve up.
What would happen if we didn't release?
You can't open it when it's still under pressure.
You can't, or it's a bad idea.
Well, for one, it's a really bad idea if you're trying, but it actually locks if you can't turn it.
Ah, okay. Is there a faster one?
I'll have to take out the chicken, shred these guys up and put them right back in. So you can use 2 forks to do this, fingers, that would probably hurt, or you can use little claws here.
Interesting.
Yeah, I do have shredding claws. So if you make pulled pork, I will throw this right back in. Quick stir, taste test here. Yep, that's good.
So what else? What do we put in this now?
So what we can do now, let me put this down here for inspection. We can decorate this with we'll add some cilantro, avocado. You can add crumbled down tortilla chips or tortilla strips if you even have those. Add some sour cream, cheese. Yeah, you're good to go. Then whatever you want to throw on there, you can throw on there.
Cool.
And that's pretty much it. Tortilla soup in half an hour or less, because if it takes longer, then you're doing it wrong. So I'm Fabian. We have Clayton on camera. And
Clayton?
Clayton. Did I say Clayton? We guess we can go back to the audio.
We'll
and
review
check.
the tape. Yeah.
Yes, we'll go back and review in slow motion.
We have Clayton on camera.
So yeah, if you like the show, below we have the like, comment, and subscribe section. So go ahead, click those buttons, write some comments, and we'll be back for some more shenanigans next time. Auf Wiedersehen! Alles super gut!